Legal training haibasi yamna maru oi haina High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice M. Sundar na fongdokrai. The High Court Bar Association Manipur amasung Manipur Judicial Academy na sinduna High Court of Manipur ki auditorium da numit nini chupna chathagadaba Legal Training and Professional Ethics ki seminar hodopagi thoramda wafam asi fongdokhibani. Thoramadu da Chief Justice Sundar na makha taraduna institute singda law tamliba mahiroi singna knowledge amadi skill hangat hanbagi mathakta low value laihanbasi yamna maru oi. Mahiroi singda natana practicing lawyers singna professional ethics ngak na chatpa mathau tai masi ngak taba matamda mai pak pangamloi haiki thaba matoba matamda loyal oiba mathau tai haiba wafam Chief Justice Sachina thamladuna matam khudimakta court pu ikai khumnagadabani haiki Thoramadu the High Court of Manipur ki Justice A. Bimol, A. Guneshwar Sarma, Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Justice Golmai Gaiful Silu, Advocate General Lenin Hizam, Bar Council of Manipur ki Chairman S. Brajabihari, High Court Bar Association of Manipur ki President N. Kumarjit Yauna, High Court Bar Association ki Miyoi Singh amadi High Court ki staff sing susarukya.
Legal training is so important that it is dovetailed with professional ethics. One to his client and the other to the court. And we favor the two conflicts. The duty to the court must prevail. Unquote. Ultimately, each of us, students, lawyers and judges, must engage in a lifelong dialogue with our own conscience. The finest code of ethics is not written in statutes, but etched in the human heart.